Sweet. All right, cool. Jacob, why don't you go ahead and start it off?
All right, yeah, so today was fun. This whole week's been really fun. We finally knocked out the last few bugs. We'll be submitting all 3 of our platforms to the App Store tonight. And then once those are approved, we're ready to launch them right away and get all of our new courses in. So that'll be good. Other than that, not a big update because we had a lot of pain in the butt bugs, and yeah, but that was my day.
Nice, man. Sounds good. Why don't you go ahead, Jack?
Pretty much didn't get much done today. I've been out of town. Got back about 4 o'clock, and ever since then we've been working on the admin app and the API, getting things in order, and I think we finally got that taken care of. So that's about all I got for today. It's kind of crazy.
Nice. Sorry, one second. I think I'm a little choppy. Johnny, why don't you go ahead?
Yeah, like Jacob said, just working on getting the apps bug free and ready for release. Guys will be getting the 3 new courses with this release in the apps: the Couture, Blender, and Web Dev. Also filmed and edited my first 3 videos for the Slack chat app. Then just answering a bunch of questions on Udemy and Discord, and that's it. That's me.
Cool.
Nice, dude. Those videos are really good.
Yeah, I liked them.
Thank you, thank you.
Money Maker Mark.
Yo,
What is
what's
good?
up? Well, every time I tried to work on subscriptions, somebody was bugging me about something. So needless to say, I didn't get anything with subscriptions done. But it's all good. It's all good. I sent out that email, Evan, and for those of you who keep sending me all these emails, if you're a Kickstarter backer, guys, do you really have to ask the question first off? You get lifetime access for free. But anyway, to answer the question, if you're a lifetime backer, will you have to pay for a subscription? No, you will not. You will still get all the courses for free forever, because that's what we said we were going to do. So just know that's the answer.
You've got a lifetime subscription.
You got a lifetime subscription for free.
But you can if you want to.
But one time. So, yeah. So anyway, good news again to reiterate what Jacob said. The updates to the Mac app, iOS app, and tvOS app are allowing our new courses to come to the platform. Every new course we produce, and we are producing a ton, are instantly going to go into the app. And again, we are going to be releasing basically Devslopes exclusive courses pretty much from here on out. And so the only place you can get these courses will be in the apps. And so a good effort and endeavors here to get all this done. Johnny, we do still need to, Jason probably needs to go through and finish all the web development, or we need to at least verify that all the courses are working.
Yeah, I was going to ask, the offline lessons for the web course looks like he's about halfway through. Are you working on those? Okay, yeah. So those look good up to like through section 6 or so.
Yeah,
the Bootstrap introduction to Bootstrap 4 is kind of where it gets.
Yeah. And Jason, I'm going to go ahead and mess with Vimeo so we can get more API calls. But here's some other solutions. If you get that error again, of course, going to your own house, it's per IP address. So going to your own house, you'll be able to do all the requests again, and then going onto your mobile hotspot, you'll be able to. That'll be another IP address, so you can go to as well too.
Okay.
And hopefully, my upcoming change will make it so we can add more. But basically, it's requests. We're exceeding requests per hour per IP address, like indicating that a user should never have need to hit an API 100 times in less than 1 hour. And that makes sense, 100 times is a lot. So for fetching data. So anyway, that'll be fixed soon. And we will need to ASAP, they'll get click the sync button on all those other courses ASAP.
Cool. I'll have those done tonight for sure. No question.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm doing a late night tonight, as you can tell, and I'm actually going to finally get back on subscriptions because I have a clear path and I want to go down that path and finish it. So
Nice. Let's run down that clear path. All right, Jason, why don't you go ahead?
I did a lot of QA, tested like 4 builds. That was a lot of fun. And then worked on the subscription stuff. And so really cool, so everything is done with the subscription pages, the whole kind of walkthrough flow of it. Went through and replaced the anchor tags with router links, which now I understand why they're so awesome. Instead of like putting an href to like a link like of the app, you just call the router link, which just pulls the folder, and it's just everything's instant. Hence, that's what Angular is supposed to be, right? Single page application. So that was a lot of fun. Figured that out, and then Mark, I'm gonna push up everything I have, and so maybe you want to kind of work what I have because everything's polished really, really well. There's a couple of more router links I have to tie up, but other than that, everything is working amazing. Probably have to fix a few mobile views, but that's about it. And then did some, help some people out via email, and that was it.
Nice, man. Yeah, my update's pretty much the same. Did a ton of QA. A lot of the bulk of the day was QAing and trying to fix that bug that would seem to be specific to me, Jason, and Connor. Did a lot of email stuff. Shout out to Jake. He put together kind of this really cool schedule for our monthly AMAs. Last AMA we did had a really good turnout, and it was a good way to engage with the community. So
I want to do an AMA, Evan.
What's that?
I want to do one.
Yeah. Definitely. So I'll send that to you guys pretty soon. You did a really good job at kind of scheduling it out and put a lot of thought into it. And I peer reviewed Johnny's videos. They came out awesome, and I'm really excited because this is gonna, force us to put all of everybody's courses under a microscope and really watch them again, and look for things to improve on. So I enjoyed watching them, and I love the analogies, Johnny. So that's pretty much all I have. I think we're all cranking away on stuff, so we can probably hang up and keep going.
Sweet, man.
All right, guys. Make it happen.
Later.